Hello everyone, so in this video today I will be teaching guys watching of how to fix the issue of wait a few minutes before you try again on Instagram. So uh, so let me give you a quick preview. If that happens, just simply wait. Yeah. And also check that the internet you're using is a stable connection, because internet plays an important factor in the Instagram's application working or not, and gives you the access of the full features of the app. And just stop spamming while you're in the chat, because sometimes when you're spamming again and again of messages or emojis, the app cannot keep up with the rate you're spamming at. So please just give it a break and send a message once and then wait a few seconds, then send it again. So yeah, stop spamming, check out your internet connection, and yeah, just have patience and wait. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.